Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I want to show you guys this 3D printing desk that I just assembled. Now, this was very easy to put together. I want you to see all the different levels. So you have two levels here that you can use for your filament. This will support up to 100 pounds on each one of these racks and up to 120 pounds on the top. It has an integrated handle, as you see here. We also have these 360 wheels that's going to allow you to also lock these in place if you need to, but it comes with an optional base if you don't want to use the wheels. It does come with the little stubs. I prefer using the wheels. It just makes it easier to move this thing around whenever I need to. So I'm going to set this up and show you guys pretty much how I'd use this in a daily workflow. Look at the beauty of that wood finish. Gorgeous. All right, so let's go ahead and set this up and I'll show you guys how I'll use it here in the home studio. All right, guys, as you see here, it does have room for quite a few of these spools. So depending on how many spools you have, you can arrange them here at the base. And I also have my 3D printer securely sitting here on top. Very nice design. And more importantly, it is very, very portable. So I can move this 3D printer pretty much wherever I want to. And that does allow a lot of flexibility when it comes to using 3D printer in a small home office, man cave, she shed, whatever the case it may be. This is a win. It's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Just want to do a quick video showing you this really cool little 3D printer rolling storage table. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.